Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype. To know how to find a solution about Skype issues, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to Skype. You'll find it here in this page. When you'll find this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache, and in the end you can go to your Play Store. You will find the Skype and you can update your app there. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.